Welcome to my channel about embedded systems, fischertechnik and robotics. If you're new to this channel and or haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe via the thumbnail in the bottom right corner. As you can see, the topic of this video is the driving robot discovery based on the TXT controller, which runs embedded Linux and programmed in Python. And last time I modified the wiring such that I can now easily change battery packs, like this one, by adding two switches. However, this switch I can activate by pulling the switch this way, but the other one I have to pull that way. That is not very nice, so I want to turn this switch around so I can pull them both in the same way to activate the battery. So that is a little reconstruction that I have to do. I have turned this switch around and now it is time to test if it is functional the way I intend to. So first I'm using this battery pack. Switch on, power on, and well, while this boots I can easily check for any problems. So now I'm going to switch this one on and switch this one off, and it goes off, which is not the way I intend, obviously. So I'm going to switch that one that way, which is not functional, then entirely that way, which could indicate that the battery pack is empty, while it should be fully charged. This one again like that, switching this one off again, and there it goes, off. So this is a bit of mystery. Now this one was alright. This is unanticipated. Okay, wiring is as it should be. So I switch this one to on, which is not functional. Then I switch this one on, which is functional. I switch this one off, and it goes entirely off, which is of course not the way I want it. I have to check the wiring again. Okay, something weird has happened. Now this one is completely wired and switched on. I don't know if you can see it, but here is a little thumbnail. Now, as you can see, I pulled the red wire, which means this one is off. The switch is on though, so it should not matter at all right now with this being switched or pulled out, if this switch is either here or here. So I'm going to pull it this way, nothing happens, this way, and it's off. And that is strange in my opinion. So will this work? Will this be functional? Nope. Yep. Okay, I had to pull a bit, to push a bit harder, faster, better. But then again, why makes this sure that it goes off? It is a neutral setting, but then again, why does it go off? So let me test a bit further. Right now Okay. So, switching battery packs. This one goes in, switching on, switching neutral, taking out, no problem. If this one behaves the same way as this one, it should go off now. Yep. So, both in. So for some reason, this one is not functional. It is completely neutral now. And then it should be neutral and should stay neutral. This one is active. So when I switch this one to active, this one to neutral, there's nothing going wrong. This one, can I pull the wire? Yeah, I can pull the wire. This one on, this one to neutral, pull the wire, no problem. So this way I can indeed switch batteries. I just have to take in mind that I should not put it entirely the other way. Anyway, this one is on the robot itself, so I should put this one there, this one here, and pull the wire, and we're done. Time for the floor test. And when I have set up everything for the floor test, the controller goes off. So I can choose to either take this one away, put this one on it, or just stack it. Let me first check the complete charge of this one. Switch and switch this one off, and switch off. Let's see what the charge is anyway. Because this is quite unexpected. I had fully prepared everything, and then you get something like this. Okay. Getting the correct menu to test it. So let's do that. And this one shows nothing. This one shows 8.6 volts, which is indeed not that much. But I'm going to put this on here anyway, not wasting any more time. Close the test interface so I can run my own software, and of course I have to log in again. Which I have to do here as well, needless to say. Which also implies that I have to set the date again, which has now progressed to 33. Source code, and now let's run. Oh yes, I didn't secure the objects so they can be pushed away. So I'm very curious what happens anyway. Will these front sensors touching the objects and trigger a turn as is supposed to be. 2.5 seconds for the camera. And of course, password. Come on. It does touch here, but it doesn't impress. So let's see whatever happens, if anything happens at all. And this takes too much time, way too much time. Okay, never mind. What is the first? No. What is the 8.4? I'm fine with that. Going entirely back to the first image. Display. Yeah. Copy. Paste. 9%. Go. That's okay. Then this no. Display. Copy. Paste. I'm not convinced. I am not convinced at all. Which one? This one. No, first this one. Oh, the same thing. Okay. Never mind. Okay, this one doesn't convince me at all. But also the wiring issue is different than I thought. With these results, I say thank you for watching. Quite not what I expected to happen, neither with the wiring nor with the battery charge. Or whatever. Also with the OpenCV and color, well, color results, let me put it that way. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel via the thumbnail in the bottom right corner. You can also follow me via the Instagram and Twitter. Please support, if you like, via PayPal or by becoming a patron. Thank you for doing so. Would be a great help. Also like this video, which helps also in with the Google algorithm, the YouTube algorithms. This is going to be continued, obviously. So for now, stay safe, have a great day, take care, bye.